Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same. One of the best. It actually works perfectly. And you could see. Hi guys, here's me, Anna. I prepared just something that I am really excited to try because I have the really nice and good feelings, and I hope you will enjoy it, and that's gonna be completely profitable. So let's start, because maybe that's the real gift for you. And we go. 500 and a half. 15 seconds, so I am not getting too much stress. In the beginning of this year, I'm in a mood of going with the flow. And 15 seconds is one of my best and favorite. Ichimoku cloud, I love that. But this is not like cloud. This is Ichimoku, Kinko, something like that. For me, it's kind of all the same. Sorry. But just for a change, we can try something. Of course, it's a bit different, and I love Ichimoku more. This one is kind of, for me, just something completely Japanese. I'm sorry, that's not. And we're going with the Bollinger Bands width, and the momentum. So we're a little bit into experiments, and that's why, of course, I am with this 15-second candles, I must say. Look at this. I don't know. By now, I'm a little bit scared. I am a little bit like this, but we will see how it's gonna be, because I am trying to get it all profitable in every strategy. And here we are. The first impression that we have is like we need less money just to leave it in the bank. The first impression that we got, that it's gonna be kind of the rising, but you can see by this tiny cloud that we have that it's actually gonna be the falling. So we're gonna continue that, and I must say I've seen all these candles of the momentum, I've seen the candles on the chart, but Bollinger Bands is kind of low. So I was thinking about that, as that's gonna be the big fallen. We have some step or something like that. I mean, some inconvenience right here. And I must say this Ichimoku cloud, let's say it is a cloud, because it looks like a cloud or smoke, something like that. That's kind of useful. In most of the cases, I just repeat it once again. This is one of the best predictors to see what's going to be the tendency, and when it's completely right here, right on the chart, close to all these candles, one of the best, and you can see it. That was correct. But it's a little bit messy. And once again, you can see that the green line for a little while are going upward, and then again, it's getting downward. Maybe the main problem right here is to understand the time frame. So if I'm being honest, I don't need any more indicators, because you can see it right here. That's gonna be what we do expect. Was there the situations when I was wrong with that? It was because sometimes I was just thinking about these tendencies. It's like, okay, that's gonna be shorter or longer, that it really happened. I don't know, I'm just excited. I love when it's just like that. You can see that it actually works perfectly, because we can see, okay, this is a little bit of rising. You can see it. It's gonna be going a little while, so we are fine with that. But then again, that's gonna be the fallen. So I don't know if that is not perfect. I don't know what it is. Maybe this is even better than MACD. Maybe that good. Messy once again. Sometimes it's a bit messy. So we are gonna be rising. We still have time, and here's the question: For how long? Because you can see now we're going to be rising and then we're going to get downward. And I must say this Ichimoku stuff, it's not so perfectly precise. It's not like, because you can just see it right here with the previous one. It's not like working on every fluctuation, on every change of the tendency, because it's not truly repeating the whole chart. You can see that actually it's kind of different. But in some perfect situation, you can see that extremely clear. And I think this is the only situation that you need to enter 20 seconds, and you can understand that. You can see that perfectly, that now we are rising, but we gotta get downward. And maybe we needed to go for the downward one. But no, it's going. Still doing fine. And you could see here is like almost the perfect combination. Just at the same moment it started. Sometimes it's a little bit later, a little bit sooner. I'm really interested in this one. I just forgot about all the indicators. Plus, don't forget about all the setups. Actually, it matters. It depends how precise that's going to be, how it's going to be moving, how that's going to be correct or not. So me going just with a really big bad. But once again, the crossing just happened and here we are. Maybe it's not going to be like the big rising, but you can see there is definitely the rising that is expected. And I trust it. So I go with the big bad. Because here we are, if you're going to be just following what is going on right here, we may go for some downward trend somehow. But after that mess, seems like that's just the big rising. Something messy right here, but anyway, the tendency is to get upward, and upward. So let's wait for that. And you can see that is perfectly. Actually, you can see that cloud and you don't have two opinions. You don't have, I don't know, you just precisely, you're so confident. Okay, that's going to be the rising. I'm pretty sure that's going to be the rising, kind of a long one. I am not saying all about, but look at this. We're going about the tendencies, not the candles. That's perfect. I mean, that's one of my favorite ones. So use it. I just recommend it. Use it as often as you can. Continue. And done. I don't know, to be that satisfied of the really one indicator. I don't care about all of the other indicators. Just one indicator gave it all. It just gave it all. And I'm happy that I have the chance to show it. And I will be extremely happy if you have the chance to try it. Give me any feedback on that. And don't forget, if you want to go for more life hacks, for more tips, or free signals, you know that I have my free Telegram channel that you can find somewhere here below the video or just in my bio, and join it.